Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. 3 healthful drinks that will strengthen your lungs. If you want your lungs to be healthy, first of all, you should stick to healthy habits. Do not smoke, avoid toxic or contaminated sites, perform at least a minimal set of physical exercises and take care of the health of your immune system. All this is undoubtedly vital for maintaining lung health. But sometimes the lungs, such important organs of our body, can undergo serious diseases, for example, such as bronchitis, asthma, or infections requiring special treatment. In addition to the advice that your doctor will give you, it may be very useful to help these natural medicinal drinks, which we will now tell you. We are just sure that they will help you. Pour them into your favorite mug and enjoy them hot. 1. A therapeutic drink from thyme and nettle. This drink is ideal for cleaning and strengthening the lungs. Want to know why? Thyme is probably the most effective medicinal plant to maintain lung health. Means based on it are commonly used to relieve cough and respiratory infections. This is an excellent expectorant and antiseptic, which is ideal for brewing herbal teas and inhalations. Nettle is a medicinal plant that has been used since ancient times to treat a variety of health problems, and one of its main properties is the ability to clean and heal our blood and lungs. This plant contains many vitamins and minerals such as iron, calcium, magnesium, silicon. This is simply an ideal tool for people with anemia or who are in a period of rehabilitation after a disease. Ingredients: 30 grams of thyme, 30 grams of dried nettle, a glass of water, 200 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 og. Preparation: these medicinal herbs, nettle and thyme, can be easily purchased already in ready-to-brew form in any store of natural products or a pharmacy. As a rule, they are sold in packing from 300 to 500 grams and are quite inexpensive. The first thing we do is boil a glass of water. As usual, we recommend the use of a ceramic or glass kettle, as medicinal plants can lose some of their useful properties in metal dishes. After the water boils, add thyme and nettles to it, and cook for about 15-20 minutes. After that, let the broth steep another 10 minutes. Add a tablespoon of honey and drink in small sips, inhaling the steam from this broth. It also has medicinal properties. This is a very pleasant process. You can treat yourself to 2 cups a day. 2. Medicinal infusion of psyllium and lemon balm. Delicious and healing, this can be said about this herbal drink. This tea is one of the most effective means for cleaning our lungs and removing toxins from them. It is simply indispensable for smokers who need not only to clean their alvenates, but also to relieve the symptoms of infections, for example, cough. Now we will tell you what exactly are the magic properties of tea from these plants. Plantain. This plant, which is an expectorant and helps to remove mucus and phlegm from the lungs, which prevent normal breathing. In addition, psyllium acts as a good anti-inflammatory agent, which ideally suits in the form of a decoction or inhalations. You can even prepare hot compresses on the chest. Dill and melissa. Combining these 2 medicinal plants will help you remove toxins from the lungs and, in addition, relax. Often, when we have problems with the lungs, this is due to the fact that we experience extreme fatigue and a feeling of constriction in our respiratory system. Melissa tea will help us feel much better. Ingredients: 20 grams lemon balm, 20 grams of plantain, 20 grams of dill, 1 glass of water, 200 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of honey, 60 grams. Preparation: first, as always, boil a glass of water. After it boils, add the herbs, plantain, lemon balm and dill. Allow them to cook for 20 minutes, then remove from heat and leave for another 10 minutes. We should warn you that this tea has a rather sharp taste due to the presence of plantain in it, so we recommend, if it does not seem very pleasant to you, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Despite this slight inconvenience, we advise taking this decoction 3 times a day, as we already mentioned, it is just ideal for cleaning the lungs and relieving inflammation. 3. Healing drink from green tea and lime blossom. This very delicious tea serves primarily for prevention of lung problems, for their strengthening and optimization of function. This herbal is a kind of vitamin, which we can daily drink for breakfast. If you suffer from any lung disease, then the teas described above will be more effective. We took green tea for this infusion because of its high antioxidant content. This was especially vividly demonstrated in the studies of the Medical Center of the University of Maryland, in the United States, which were conducted a couple of years ago. They have proven that green tea is an effective remedy for protecting against lung cancer. Of course, this will not be 100% effective, but the chances of getting sick will drop if you drink it every day. Lime blossom has an antispasmodic effect and it is easy to find in any store of natural products. It will help to relax, breathe better and strengthen our lungs' health. It is fragrant, has a pleasant taste and fits well with any herbal teas. Ingredients: 20 grams of green tea, 20 grams of lime colored, 1 glass of water, 200 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of honey, 30 grams. Preparation. Everything is very simple. Boil a glass of water, and then add green tea and linden flowers. Give the broth a little more boil, and then leave for 10 minutes to make it better to insist. Pour this magic herbal tea into your favorite mug and add a tablespoon of honey to it. This delicious and healthy drink is perfect for breakfast. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.